Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am gonna talk about levels of testing. Okay, so watch the video till the end to understand the levels of testing in a proper way. So in software testing there are four levels of testing: unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and acceptance testing. So I will explain each and every step in a proper way. So first of all, the step that comes is unit testing. So unit testing is done by developers. Okay. So whenever they have completed writing the code and build the feature, so after completion they will do the unit testing. So so that they can identify the bugs at the initial level before giving this feature for further testing. Okay. So they will resolve all the bugs at the initial level before giving the feature to the QA so that they can test it. Okay, so it's a type of white box testing and it's a kind of JUnit testing as well. So developers write the JUnit test cases and they used to test these unit testing features. So some example of unit testing is, for example, you have written code for one e-commerce platform that you want to uh, example of unit testing is, suppose you have written a code for finding out the sum of two numbers. Okay, so how you can unit test this feature is, you can give the input for negative integers, then decimal numbers, then long numbers, and you can use your function, that is sum function, to find out the sum, and you can test your code by the help of unit testing. So this is one of the example of unit testing. Next level of the testing is integration testing. So integration testing is very important kind of testing that is done in the software testing. So this testing is done when different modules are integrated together. Okay, so what do I mean by different modules are integrated together? So when you take an application, like for example, on a daily basis we use LinkedIn, we use Instagram, Facebook, we use Gmail, right? So there are different modules. So in LinkedIn we have different features such as network, then jobs. So all these things, like when you open the LinkedIn there will be job section, right? When you apply to the job for a particular job, then some data flow happens in the backend and your resume goes to the employer, right? So data flow happens. So this is the integration of different third parties and modules in the system, right? So for example, if we use Make My Trip, right? So in Make My Trip we have integrated Indigo API so that they can uh, provide the Indigo services in the Make My Trip. So this is a kind of integration. So also when we integrate payment gateway in our system, okay, so for example if we take some application such as any e-commerce platform, right? So there we can use payment gateway system integrated in our account so that we can receive online orders. So This is a type of integration. So in such cases, data flow happens in the backend, and we have to verify all these things. This is known as integration testing. Okay. So now at the end, system testing. The system testing is the overall testing of the system. So whenever we build a application or software, right? So this is known as system. The whole software as a single unit is known as system. So the system can fail. The system can fail anytime, right? System can fail, so we have to, as a QA engineer, we have to make sure that the system doesn't fail. So that's why system testing is done, and it is only done when the integration testing and unit testing is completed. Okay. So at last there is acceptance testing. So whenever everything is looking good and all the features are developed and tested and integrated properly, the software is ready to go to the end users to use, and the end users are using the software. So that phase is known as acceptance testing. The end users will play around with the app and they will do the here and there testing. So this entire thing is known as acceptance testing. Thanks for watching this video. If you like my videos, please like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you.